Hey, what's up, SafeMoon holders? How are you? Many congratulations for this huge pump of the SafeMoon. My friend, that is just the beginning. The huge pump of the SafeMoon are coming soon. Be ready and be active in the market. Anyways, my friends, if we look the latest update, so I request everyone first of all to please click the subscribe button and like this video. Subscribe is very important for all of you because I will give you the latest update about SafeMoon on this channel. So that is why I'm telling you to please subscribe now. Anyways, let's see the latest update. SafeMoon, what's going on this time in SafeMoon? Let's see, my friends. So friends, the latest price of the SafeMoon in this time price of SafeMoon as 0.000004 USD dollar. My goodness. Now this time the price of the SafeMoon is very low. Everybody can buy a SafeMoon easily, my friends. And that is why I suggest for everyone, if you want to invest in a cryptocurrency, so SafeMoon is a good coin in this time. Now the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, last 1 week pricing is positive. The whole series of coin in the SafeMoon is going positive. That is why I want congrats all of you, my friends. Let's see the price chart. What's going on this time in a SafeMoon, my friends? Wow, SafeMoon is ready for the moon, my friends. SafeMoon will receive and you and to the moon safely, my friends. Safely will you receive you safely on the moon, my friends. Now that is the last 3 days price chart after SafeMoon. The first day falls down, and after the first day take a jump, my friends. The previous last 2 days, that only and only jumps occur in the SafeMoon. So now it is the start of the new month. Every cryptocurrency is going to the moon, my friends, in the start of new month, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about SafeMoon? And I'm feeling very satisfied, and my prediction about SafeMoon is 100% positive. Please tell me in the comment box your prediction and also share your opinion. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.